Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. I hope you're fine. So today's video I'm going to show you how to make this amazing hair treatment that will help repair your hair and stimulate hair growth. So in case this is the first time on my channel, my name is Sophia and I make hair and beauty videos just like this one. So please kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos. So guys, without further ado, let's begin. My ingredients, the first ingredients that I'm going to be using for this hair mask is avocado. Avocado is great for natural hair growth. It has biotin, which helps to stimulate hair growth, and it also helps to keep your hair moisturized and well conditioned, and it also helps to keep it shiny and smooth. So I'm going to go ahead and cut my avocado, then I extract the inside of it into my blender. So the second ingredients that I'm going to be using for this hair treatment is moringa powder. Here I have moringa powder here, and I'm going to be putting 1 tablespoon of moringa powder. Moringa is great for natural hair too. It also helps to treat your hair, and it also helps to stimulate hair growth by increasing circulation, and it has so many other benefits. Next, I went ahead to add a little bit of water, and then I blended my ingredients together till it was smooth, and then I went ahead to filter it. As you can see, it looking really smooth and nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and filter it to remove any lumps so it doesn't get on my hair later when I apply it on my hair. So once I'm done filtering it, I'm going to go ahead now and add 1 teaspoon of olive oil and 1 teaspoon also of black castor oil into the mix. And once I've added the 2 oil, I went ahead to add 4 tablets or 4 capsules of vitamin E. This is it here. So I added this 4 vitamin E caps. So vitamin E is also great for the scalp. That's why I'm adding it. It's good to treat your scalp, and it also has amazing benefits that will help to stimulate hair growth. So after adding that, I went ahead to mix the oil and the ingredients together. Mix it very well. As you can see, it's looking really smooth and it is nutrient packed, guys. Like, this mask helps to treat and repair damaged hair. It also helps to keep your hair healthy, well moisturized and conditioned, and at the same time stimulate hair growth. So it's made of natural ingredients and it is very good for your hair. So once my mask is ready, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how I applied it on my hair. So the application process, I already started. I forgot to on my camera before I start, so I'm just going to continue right now. I already washed my hair and I washed it in this twist, so I went ahead to apply my mask directly on the twist because I didn't want to take it down to just prevent excess manipulation of my hair, because my hair is in a very fragile state. So I just wanted to avoid too much manipulation, so I washed and I'm applying this on the twist also. So I just went ahead to apply it to the my entire hair and scalp, and then I will be massaging it very well into my hair and scalp. So just enjoy a little bit of music, guys, while I finish up applying this to my hair. So once I'm done applying it, I went ahead to cover it with a plastic bag like this one that I have here. I just cover it with a plastic bag. This will help to keep my hair covered and at the same time stimulate heat. And then I had to cover it also with this heat cap. I already preheated this cap. You can preheat it or you can plug it directly while it's on your hair, but I preheat mine and then I covered my hair with it. This will help to open my pores so that the ingredients and the nutrients will penetrate into my scalp. So this is my hair after washing it off. I left it on for 30 minutes and then I wash it off. This is my hair after everything. As you can see, my hair is looking really shiny and bouncy. It feels so soft. I mean, this mask is super good and it is nutrient packed for natural hair, guys. It helps to repair the hair and it also helps to treat scalp. So this is my hair, guys. Thank you for watching this video to the end. I love you guys. Talk to you on my next video. Bye bye.